to Savar's toy review. In today's vlog, I'm gonna play with Rockem Sockem boxing game. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below and give me a big thumbs up. Hey guys, welcome to the boxer ring. These are the boxers. This guy's name is Blue Boomer. And this guy's name is Red Rocker. And the game works by when you hit, like when you do this and when you get a chance, see these controllers? What you do is you put them in front of the face and you punch it. And then when you hit it, the guy should go up like this. Let's play the game. Hey guys, now let's have the challenge in 3, 2, 1,
Oh!
I got you! Okay, ready, set, go! I got you! Hey!
I got you first.
I got you first. It's a tie. 1, 2, 2.
Oh my god!
Hey guys, did you like my awesome boxing game video? Subscribe to my channel and give my videos a big thumbs up and share love. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. And hit the bell icon to get all new videos notification. And now, bye. See you.